So students, we will discuss exercise 12.1 in this video. Write the algebraic expression for the following statement. We have to write the algebraic expression for this. 18 multiplied by x. 18 multiplied by x means x into 18. And 25 subtracted from the result. 18 multiplied by x and 25 subtracted from the result is 191. So we will write 25 subtracted from the result means from this only. Is means is equal to 191. Okay. 18x minus 25 is equal to 191. 56 added to 2y gives 84. 56 added to 2y gives means is equal to 84. Q multiplied with minus 6. Q multiplied with minus 6 you can multiply gives 114. So can you write it? Minus 6q is equal to 114. Minus 3 multiplied by y when added to 18 gives 20. This is your homework. Okay. Identify the monomial, binomial and trinomial. You know monomial which have only one term, binomial which have two term and trinomial which have three term. How many terms are there in this? 1, 2. So it is a binomial. How many terms are there in this? Only one. So it is a monomial. In this, constant monomial. This is two terms. So binomial. Similarly, you can do 1, 2, 3, three terms. So it is a trinomial. Okay, do it. Question number 3. Identify the pairs of like terms among the following. You have to write the like terms. Like terms what I have told. If the same variable is there, then it is called like term. Is it a same variable? No. X square y, this is y x square, no same variable. It is also not a like term. AB, here also AB. So yes, it is a like term. AB and B, it is not a like term. Y square, yes, it is a like term. AB and 3ABC, it is not a like term. Okay. So you will simply write the question in your notebook and write like term or unlike simply. Find the coefficient of x in the following. Coefficient of x means the term which is connected with x, that is called the coefficient of x. So 3 by 16 is the coefficient of x. Minus 13, what is the coefficient of x here? X के साथ क्या connected है? Just see here, minus 13 y is connected with x. So minus 13 y is connected with x. So it is the coefficient. Similarly, you can see x. What is connected with x only? 7 by 9. x square yz. So x के साथ क्या connected है? x square also, because we have to find out the x coefficient only, and here is a x cube. So just remove x from this. Whatever will be left, that is the coefficient of x. Understood? समझ में आ रहा है? This is also, what is the coefficient of x here? So x coefficient is minus yz. You have to take the minus sign also. Which of the following algebraic expression are polynomial? In this, which of the following are polynomial? Is this a polynomial? No, because if you will write its inverse form, its exponent will come in minus. And as I have told you, exponent cannot be in minus in the polynomial. Okay? Yes, this is a polynomial because in this all the exponents are positive. Here it is also not a polynomial because if you will write it in the inverse form, it will come in minus. Its exponent will come in minus. So it is not a polynomial. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. Is this a polynomial? Yes, it is also a polynomial. This one you have to decide whether it is a polynomial or not. You can see exponent will come in negative. So what? You have to do it. For the algebraic expression, this, answer the following. This is an algebraic expression. You have to write how many terms are there in the given expression. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 terms are there. Which is a constant term? Which one is constant? Means with which no variable is connected. So this is a constant term. 9 by 11 minus 9 by 11. What are the coefficient of x to the power 4, x to the power 3 and x square? X to the power 4 is 4. X to the power 3 is 1 minus 1. X square is 3. Coefficient of x square. You have to write the separate coefficient of each. what is the degree of the given polynomial. Now degree what I have told you, the highest power of the variable. What is the highest power? 4 is the highest power, so degree of the polynomial is 4. Okay, next day we will deal the next exercise.